Are you struggling with issues like uneven welds or sensor damage during the welding of PT100, PT1000, RTD, NTC, or thermocouples? The TATE PT100 welding machine is here to resolve these common challenges efficiently. Our machine is equipped with cutting-edge temperature control technology, ensuring that every weld is perfectly executed with precise heat distribution. This minimizes the risk of defects and ensures that your temperature sensors remain intact and operational. The TATE PT100 machine can handle even the most delicate sensors, offering superior welding accuracy that is essential for high-quality products. With TATE PT100, you can increase production speed while maintaining consistent, high-quality welds. No more costly reworks or product failures. As the source manufacturer, we guarantee excellent performance and reliable support. Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. For more information, reach out to info@oktate.com.